Hello! Look, it's me, DIY Dan! Ho! Why don't you come on over? Come on. That's it. Look, I've got a broken fence post. Completely rotten. The wind's blown it and it's snapped. Right, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Just watch the video, you'll see. So we're going to get our spade and we're going to stick it in the ground. Nice straight edges. And we're going to cut through the turf. About 3 inch in. And then once you've gone all the way around, like that, last one. Oh, another one. And again, you're going to get the spade, stick it underneath, again 3 inch down, and then basically just scrape the top of the turf off. And you're going to save this because you're going to use this later. So you're going to put this back in place after the post has been put and set. So don't throw it away, okay? Using a pickaxe from 1876, you're going to loosen the soil around the remainder of the post until you get to that concrete base that surrounds the bottom part. There we go, nice and loose. Get your mini DIY Dan and get him to dig the soil out of the hole into the wheelbarrow. The reason we put it into wheelbarrow is to keep the area nice and tidy. You don't want to be having to scrape soil off your grass because it is a pain. As you can see, we've reached the concrete base. We've found the edges and we've cleaned it up a little bit so we can see what we're working with. You get your pickaxe from 1876 and you break away at this concrete base a bit at a time. As you can see, the chunks are now coming off, so we just take them out and put them in a bucket so they're tidy again, keeping the work area tidy. At this stage, I've supported the fence with 2 pieces of timber. Then I've taken the old post off and just made sure that was all stable. So I've pulled all that rubble out and I've dug it a little bit deeper so we've got a nice new hole for our new post now. Now, because we are under social distancing laws due to coronavirus, I have had to remove the screws via a screw cutting tool. Rather than going to my neighbour's house and disrupting them, I've done this from my side. So they had to come out before I could then put the new post up against that timber. I'm using Blue Circle Postcrete. Sets in about 10 to 15 minutes, so it's ideal for a quick post replacement. With Postcrete, you fill your hole up to 1/3 with water, and then you place your post in place, and you then tip the Postcrete into that hole. Just to make sure everything's mixed up properly, I've gave it a little poke with a metal stick and just got down to the base there and made sure it's all in the nooks and crannies around that post so it holds it firm. Check your post is level and straight, and what I do is I've just got 2 pieces of timber and 2 screws and I've screwed that in and supported it from the floor just so that just holds it in place while it sets. And there you go, 10-15 minutes. Once it's set, you can remove the timbers, put your soil back in, your turf back in, job done.